package tape. Not package tape. Just open it. I don't even know what could be in here. Whoever did this packaging did a great job. That bad, right? $2? I should probably save up for something.
Ooh, what's that? I'm gonna go check it out. It's a package? What did it say? Try your luck. Seems cool. I open it and I see this rod. Why does it say unlucky?
Resident Evil 2 and Resident Evil, the director's cut. Now some puts DualShock analog controller.
It was a killer bachelor party. Until the entertainment
Blood is all over the bathroom.
died.
It's a 105-pound problem.
Now, the questions are growing.
You left a dead prostitute alone in the desert.
Local area emergency for the city of Columbus. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Columbus Division of Police in coordination with the Franklin County Emergency Management and Homeland Security. A large explosion has occurred near the intersection of Copper Road and Seabrook Avenue. The source of the explosion is unknown at this time. Seek immediate shelter now. If you are indoors, stay indoors and lock all entrances to your home. If you are outdoors, locate a proper shelter immediately and do not go back outside until authorities announce the proper authorization. It is unsafe to be outdoors or in large public spaces. Stay tuned to news outlets and local media for the latest information when it becomes available.
Who's at the door? Oh, a box. Didn't order it. And also that alert. Could be the bomb.
Snowy.
What? Who's there?
No, that doesn't matter. Open the box.
No, I'm not opening it.
But Snowy, I think the two of us know you want to open the box, don't you?
I don't. Just get out of my head.
Oh, Snowy. I'm not getting out of your head anytime soon. I mean, not until you open up the box, of course. Go on. Try your luck.
Fine. Here, is this what you want?
This is a special report from NBC News.
Breaking news today as a dangerous event is occurring. Boxes have been placed on people's doorsteps, telling them to try their luck. When opened, some had a cash prize, while others had a bomb in them, killing the opener. Residents were recently advised not to open any boxes. On next, our weather forecast.
Emergency Management Agency. Multiple large explosions have occurred throughout various neighborhoods across the city of Columbus. The source of the bombings has been confirmed to be through the various packages that were left on people's doorsteps. As a result, a mandatory evacuation order has been issued for those living within a 5-mile radius of Columbus. You are authorized to use Interstate 70 and Interstate 71 to evacuate. This action is indefinite and will not be terminated until an all clear is given. Stay tuned to news outlets and local media.
You think you can escape by evacuating your stupid little city? Huh. It's burst your bubble, but you're not able to do that. Because no matter where you go, I'll be right there. So, I think we all know that today your lucky day, isn't it? So why not go ahead and open the box? Yeah, go on. Try your luck.